Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Coding with Ankit. Today's we will solve Leetcode problem. Let's get started. So today's problem is find all the anagrams in a string. Problem number 438. It's a medium type problem. Let's look this problem in Leetcode first. So in the description and mention we have given two strings s and p. Return an array of all the start indices of p's anagrams in S. You may return the answer in any order. So what we have to do, we have two string given. You can consider the example one. First string is CBE BA BACD, and the second string is ABC. So ABC we can consider as a pattern, and we need to find this ABC in first string, and wherever this string is starting we have to return the starting index. So if we start from first, you can see first we are getting CBA, we got the same string. The adder, what is anagram is the string but the order will be different. If you see p is containing ABC, so order is ABC, but in S here we have CBA, so all three strings are characters are available but the order is different, that we can name as an anagram. So we got the anagram, so starting index will be 0, so that's we can see in the output. Same way if we go, then after we don't have to consider the same string, then we will move forward. We have BA, then BAC, so you can see C we got at the last, so before that we have A and then B, so starting index will consider this B. So BAC is also anagram of ABC, so that is starting at sixth index, so that also will return. So these two index will be our output, and these two index we will return in array list. How we will deal it? Let's see. So same way I've taken the same string. First string is S, second string is P. P is containing ABC, so these three character we have to look into S. You can see first answer we have 0 and 6 index. So 0th index we have C, with that you can see B and A also, so we got first anagram here, and then second index we are returning as sixth after 6 you can see A B A C, so these three also is anagram of ABC, so that's why we are considering 6 index. Before that we can't choose because we have to provide the in the starting index of that. So 0 and 6 is our answer. So how we will do it? What we will do? Let's write the logic. How we will check it? First, we will create our array list, which will return as a response integer. We can name it result. That's our response. Then we can return as a list only. Then we will create two array. We know that in character set we have 16 characters. So if we will, what we will do, we will create two array with same size, new int 16. This count I'm naming as p count. This count array will I will use to check the characters in p, and second array I will name it as s count. That will I will check to compare count the characters available in S. So for that purpose I'm using these two array. Inside this, what I will do, I will count all the characters available in the string p. Character char ch p dot char to char array, and one by one we will change the count value here. So how we will find the index value of this character? By minusing character with a. So if there is any character, if you minus with a, that then we will get some index value. At that index value, we will do increment. So that's how we are counting each value. Because we know for each character there will be some ASCII value. Like for a small a, if it is 65, then if you're minusing a also, so that will be 65. So for a we will get 0, for b we will get 1, like that it will continue. After that we will decide a window size. Window size will be the size of length of string p, that we will consider as a window size. This problems comes under fixed fixed sliding window. What we will do, we will slide one by one, and for that we will create a for loop. And where we will slide our window, we will slide window in count of s. So this array we will slide. So we'll start with index I equal to 0, I s dot length I plus plus. Inside this we will count the character in s. For that we will read character from same string. We'll use character at ith index and we will make plus plus. And also we have to minus a, so to get the index value 0, 1, 2, like that. So here we are counting all the characters available in S string, and then what we will do, so you can see P already we are counting it. So we just need to count if all the characters available in P is available in the S, then we got our anagram, first anagram, and then we have to store the starting index. So for that I will use arrays dot equals method will pass both the count, both the array. If it is equal, then we will store first index at the result. So for that I will use I minus window size plus 1. So whatever value I'll get, I will store into result. So let's say first we got our first anagram at 0th index. After that we have to again look into. So as we don't want to use this character again, so we will have to write a logic so that we will update our s count. What we will do, we will check if I is greater than or equal to window size. That means if the character is out of the window, then we have to remove that count from this s count. And for that I will use s caret I minus window size minus a minus minus. So we will do here in decrementing all the counts if it is outside the window size. That's our logic. After this for loop, we will just return our result. Let's run the code and see if it is working fine or not. As named it wrong, we'll delete window D. So it's working fine. Let's run for all the test cases. It's working for all the test cases as well. And time complexity, if you count here, the time complexity in for loop will be n. If you consider size of the string p and s is n and m. So for p, if I'm considering m, then it will be m. Here we are looping over s, then it will be n. So m plus n is the time complexity of this whole logic. Space complexity is again m plus n, because we are getting two array with the size of n, with the size of 26 basically. So that will be our space complexity, 26. So that's about finding all the anagrams in a string. This problem comes under sliding window. As we also discussed that there are two types of sliding window problems. First is fixed and variable. Here we have a fixed window size, that is the length of um, p string. We can consider s also, but we are considering a small one. So that's why it is a fixed sliding window problem. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please give a hit and also subscribe my channel.